One fine morning, Tom walked into the kitchen and smiled. Ah, no Jerry today. Peace at last. But Jerry was hiding behind the oven, watching everything with his tiny eyes. Suddenly, Tom noticed a shiny bottle on the table. It said, "Magic Milk. Whoever drinks it becomes a super cat for 1 hour." Tom quickly grabbed the bottle and drank it. Poof! His eyes glowed, his ears grew longer, and instead of meow, he said, "Meow boom." Now, Super Tom started chasing Jerry around the house, running on walls, jumping over furniture like a superhero cat. Poor Jerry panicked. "Oh no, my cheese is in danger." Jerry thought fast. He mixed cheese, milk, and butter together and made a fake super milk. He labeled it Double Super Milk. Gives 2 hours of power. Tom, being greedy, drank it right away. But oh no, it was a trick. Tom started shrinking smaller and smaller until he was tinier than Jerry. Jerry laughed and said, "Now let's see who catches who." Both ran all over the house until they were exhausted. Finally, they fell asleep side by side on the couch.